We are at the Warrenton overpass tonight. It's actually lifted off the ground. I'm not for sure what time we're planning on moving it over the bridge, but that is when the highway will close. I got 1, 2, 3 other ones lined up. Just wait. Well, got a little movement there. They might be moving out right now. We're live, folks. Highway 47 and 70. There actually no traffic coming. They might have stopped it. Here we go. First place is coming back into reuniting the North and West Warrenton. Exciting here. You're seeing it live here, folks. I feel like I'm going to be here again soon. I think my history in the making, folks. Look at this. Tonight is westbound lanes. Tomorrow night's eastbound lanes. Putting in this first piece. I actually just got here, so timing is impeccable. Got to go pick Maverick up from basketball. Here. I'm going to go cross the road right now. There's people behind me. That tree blocking all of it, so. Lights are coming on. The second piece is coming into place. Highway's actually stopped westbound. Let me run across real quick though. Good God. Beautiful sunset in the background. Looks like we're about, I'd say, 2 feet from connection here. They're lining everything up. Making sure it's good and lined up. I'm not for sure how far back the highway is closed, but I don't see them behind me at all. So westbound traffic is closed. I think they say the brakes are about 15 minutes in brakes for them to put this down. Got 3 dump trucks flying past me. Construction going on like crazy right here on I-70. We're about, I'd say, 6 inches from touchdown of our first piece. Ladies and gentlemen, you are seeing it live here. And bringing back the north, the south. Warrenton coming back as one. No longer going to be part of Hawk Point or part of Marthasville. And we are connected. There we go, folks. The first piece is down. Like I said, this is going on all night. They're doing westbound today, eastbound tomorrow. There'll be like 15 minutes of shutdown during this process while they're doing it, and then they'll open back up, I guess, for a little bit, get it all lined up, and then shut down again for another 15 minutes. So if you're on Highway 70 or know someone's on Highway 70, let them know. There will be backups tonight, all through the night, and then tomorrow night also eastbound will be tomorrow night. So pretty excited stuff here going on in Highway 47 and 70 in Warrenton, Missouri. So my son Brody's actually going to heavy equipment operator, and he could be running a crane like this. That's the first class they actually go to is crane class. So pretty exciting stuff. And look at that slack. Look at that slack in that thing. We know it's touchdown for sure now. They're taking it off to go get the next piece. I'm not for sure how many total pieces they have for tonight. I can see 4 other ones here, a total of 5. And I don't remember for sure when Jonesburg had theirs done, because I know I think they touched, so there's a lot of pieces still to go here in my mind. Officially disconnected. Bringing it back up to go get that next piece. That was quick. I would guess the highway to get back open here shortly and rock and roll. Give you a better view of what's going on over there. I have a few minutes left. They're gonna connect the next piece over there. highway's back open. Here comes the first trucker coming through. Like I said, if you want to come out and watch us do once, or just keep on replaying this video. Hope you guys have a great night, but I have to go get my son from basketball practice now. It'll be going all night westbound, tomorrow night eastbound. Come out and watch a little piece of history. It's actually a beautiful night out after the hot day we had today, so exciting stuff. I'll try to come back by tomorrow and take a picture of what they did today, so you all can see it close up in the heat for you. So you all have a great night.